In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Monday.com free trial. If you're ready to say goodbye to your trial and move on, just follow along and we'll get through this in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your Monday.com account in your preferred browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice your avatar or profile picture. Give that a click. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From the drop-down menu, look for and select Administration. This will take you to the Administration settings, where you have control over various aspects of your account. Next, in the Administration panel, you'll want to find and click on Billing. This section holds all the information about your current subscription and trial details, so it's the place you need to go when making changes related to billing or subscription status. In the Billing section, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Overview tab to get a general look at your current trial setup, including billing details pertinent to your subscription. This will give you a clear view of your account's status. Now, for the step you've been gearing up for, click on Close My Account. This is where you'll officially initiate the process to cancel your Monday.com free trial. It's crucial to remember that by closing your account, you're halting any ongoing processes and ceasing all pending features tied to your trial. Finally, to confirm that you indeed wish to close your account, go ahead and hit the Close Account button. This final action completes the cancellation process, and you'll receive confirmation of your account closure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling your Monday.com free trial. It's always good to keep track of such processes to ensure there's no confusion. If you need any further assistance or decide to revisit Monday.com in the future, know that their customer service is usually on hand to help you with reactivating or addressing any concerns you might have. Thanks for watching. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more handy guides. Have a great day.